Hi everyone, Mike Simmons here from the Technology Department, and today we're going to talk about Chromebook PowerWash versus Reload. The PowerWash is more like a surface clean. It's like, alright, the Chromebook's kind of sluggish, it's got some bugs, it's not working the way it's supposed to. It's kind of like I'm cleaning my room. Versus the Chrome OS Recovery Total Rebuild. So now I'm knocking down the walls and I'm starting from scratch. I'm just reinstalling the operating system completely. There's a couple things I want you guys to be aware about. So if you decide to PowerWash, typically you would do the commands Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and R. But if it's a student Chromebook on the FCS Chromebooks Wi-Fi, that ain't gonna work. That's been blocked down. How do you fix it now? Simple. Go to Incident IQ, search Assets, Asset Explorer, type in the serial number. When you pull that up, go down underneath Google Device Commands. You're going to have Wipe Device. Once you select Wipe Device, the screen on the Chromebook will go blank. It restarts, and now it's power washing. Simple, easy. But here's a clue. If it's not connected to FCS Chromebooks, maybe it's on FCS Guest, that means it's no longer being managed properly, and then you just want to do the good old Control, Alt, Shift, and R, and that will power wash and reset the Chromebook. As far as the enrollment goes, make sure you log into ClassLink, go to Password Vault, you'll see Google Tech accounts, and based on your site, it's going to have the username and password. And those change about every 3 months or so. Just want to give you guys a heads up. If you want to do the Chrome OS Reload, it's a little bit more involved, and I've got another tutorial about that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.